So my handle's broke. It was 8 degrees. You can see right there. Damaged. So went online, picked up some metal handle ones. Gonna replace that. Seemed like it was a common part. Sold like 8,000 of the things, so I'm gonna take this one out. Got my trusty Allen wrench out. Heard these are super easy, so I'm just jumping in the fray. See how easy they are to do. And oh wow, looks like they just drop right in and you're good to go. Those are super easy. Never done one, but tell you by looking at it, anybody could do it. Super cool. I'm excited. Looks like the new one's just gonna drop right in and bolt in easy peasy. Looks like the hole isn't lining up right there, so all you do is reach in, grab the handle, it lines right up. Same with the bottom, just it gives you that little space you need. Alright, got the first one started. See down to the second right there? That should thread in nice and easy, but give it a little pull and bam, right there. That has got to be that has to be the easiest handle replacement ever. So cool. Very good.